Bakit kaya di
Kung ako'y talagang minamahal mo, hindi mo tutulungan si Carlo na gumawa ng masama.
ano
Ating na ito!
ang
At siyang bumuhay sa atin.
Eh, sa palagay ko naman kayang-kaya niya yung bagong kapitan ng yan eh.
Ang ibig mo ba sabihin makikiisa ka sa amin?
Alam mo naman itong Pilipinas, hanggang ngayon, ganyan pa rin.
Mga apo ko, hindi kayo dapat sumama sa kanya. Umalis lang kayo.
Si Mama Rosa, we've worked together sa Esperanza na teleserye and of course hanggang sa pelikula. She comes to work kahit gano'ng kaaga yung call time namin. She comes to work fully made up. Alam niya na lahat ng lines niya kahit gaano pa kahaba ng monologue yan.
Isabel, dahil sa kahihiyan na binigay mo sa ating angkan, magdudusa ka.
She would always tell me, mahalin mo ang trabaho mo para mahalin ka rin ang trabaho mo. And make sure that you're there on time. Huwag mo silang paaantayin. Di baling ikaw ang mag-antay, pero huwag mo silang paaantayin. And sabi niya, whether you're paid or you do it for free, give it your all.
It's not necessarily financial, but kung mabibigay mo yung oras mo, mabibigay mo yung konting a part of yourself na nobody else can pay for it, like your time, your energy, your effort.
Kwento at ibinigay niya sa amin na siya ang model ng FAMAS na trophy. I am so blessed and grateful dahil isa ako sa mga nakatrabaho si Mama Rosa. How I wish in generation ngayon makatrabaho rin si Mama Rosa kasi marami talaga silang mapupulot na mga magagandang araw in terms of being professional with work, being professional with your co-stars.
My lola would always say, sabi niya, you don't need to be a politician to be able to help people. And that stuck to my head at a very young age. Sa kanya, she did it via the Red Cross. Not only the Red Cross in general, but through the Red Cross Blood Services, because that was really her passion.
From her, I also learned, of course, yung how to help your community, being one of the leaders of Red Cross. At some point, ginawa niya akong ambassador din ng Red Cross to promote blood donation. Sobra ako na-inspire sa kanya, kaya malaki ang factor ni Mama Rosa sa akin kasi dahil sa kanya, natuto akong mag-share ng blessing. If you want to help, just help.
I was tasked to write for the longest running public service program on air, hosted by an icon of Philippine cinema. I have learned a lot of lessons working with her, but one thing that stands out was that she has an unparalleled compassion for the poor.
Yung journey kasi ng pagiging isang celebrity or pagiging isang artista, hindi naman siya natatapos lang sa pagharap sa camera. Tumatawid siya hanggang sa kabutihan ng loob mo. And iyon yung isang pinakamalaking inspirasyon ni Mama Rosa sa akin.
I'm glad for me that even at this age of 93 years old, her efforts are still being recognized. On the side of the family, we are indeed honored. Congratulations on a lifetime of incredible achievement, not only in the film industry, not only as a philanthropist, public servant, as a part of our family, yung para bang she is indeed hard act to follow.
Kaya ako siya mahal na mahal kasi hindi niya binitawan ang Red Cross, hindi niya binitawan ang pagtulong sa mga tao despite everything that has happened to her.
Tita Rose, I cannot express how thankful I am to have worked with you during the start of my career with PTV4. You have been an inspiration to me and all the other writers who wrote for Damayan. I wish you all the best, God bless, and more power to you po.
Mama Rosa, I am so grateful that I was able to work with you. Palagi kong kinikwento yung mga kinikwento mo sa akin nung mga bata pa kami sa mga anak namin. How much you inspired me. I am so grateful na nakatrabaho kita at nakilala kita at kung paano mo katawagin ako. I miss you. I do hope one of these days we'll be able to see you and hug you personally. Congratulations, Mama Rosa. You truly deserve this award. We love you. All of us will love you so much and we are grateful for you and we appreciate all of you. God bless you always.
She would always tell me, Tony, hindi ako mayaman, but one thing I will leave with you is a good name. Pass it on. And to you, Mom, I hope I'm able to finish well like you. And for me, congratulations. Job well done.